Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still continue to see some shower and storm activity around the area this morning. Otherwise, overcast conditions. We are currently in a lightning advisory at this time, and we'll continue to see shower and storm chances as we move through much of the day today and into the evening time frame. In addition, we'll be kind of stuck in the summer-like pattern as we move through the much of the week this week with daily diurnal chances of some showers and storms popping up. So an unsettled and warm pattern as we move through our week. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We have a boundary lingering through the region this morning. That's kind of the focal point of a weak area of low pressure being supported in the upper levels and keeping some shower activity as that weak area of low pressure kind of lifts through our region today. Again, so continue to see those shower chances. We'll take a look at our local radar. We can see did have a few showers push through the area this morning. Saw a lightning warning earlier. Currently, we're in that lightning advisory again, as mentioned, and still seeing some shower activity that is tracking towards the north-northeast, moving through our region. So we'll continue to deal with that as we move through the day today. If we look at our upper-level winds from this morning's sounding, we had those fairly light winds, mainly out of the south and the lower levels. And then seeing those winds pick up slightly, but still staying fairly weak, coming more out of the southwest as we get up in the mid and upper levels. Seeing our peak wind today of 27 knots at 25,000 feet, and the freezing level is at 13,700 feet. If we take a look at our current visible satellite across the region, we can see plenty of cloud cover in the area and expecting that to stay socked in as we move through the day today. We could see a few breaks in the clouds. Wasn't as optimistic about that earlier this morning, but could see a few breaks in the clouds possibly if we see a break in some of that shower activity moving through. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how we can expect things to play out as we move through the day. Today, again, as you can see, model picking up on the shower activity around the area this morning. Expecting that to continue. As we get into the afternoon, we will see a chance of maybe seeing a few breaks in the activity with a few more isolated showers or storms. Other models keep some scattered showers or storms around the area, but nonetheless, we continue with chances as we move through the afternoon. As you can see, another round of showers and storms as we go into the evening. And then as we go through the overnight time frame, we should see things slowly start to diminish with our shower and storm chances with things wrapping up by the time we get to the mainly around 2 a.m. time frame for Tuesday morning. Then we start off our day on Tuesday dry, and looks like we'll see mainly dry conditions as we move through much of the day on Tuesday. But once again, as we get into the later afternoon and more so towards the evening, we'll see another chance of showers and storms pushing through the area. This event looks to be occurring mainly in the overnight time frame and early morning hours of Wednesday. And then it looks like we'll see things starting off dry as we start today on Wednesday. If we zoom out here, look at the longer-term forecast, again, we'll continue to see those daily chances of afternoon showers and storms. As you can see, another chance of that late Wednesday into the late afternoon and evening time frame. And then we see things quiet down, and then once again, as we go into the day on Thursday, we'll see another daily chance of showers or storms during the afternoon. Friday, it looks like we could see most of that shower activity just to our south as we start the day on Friday. Maybe some lingering showers, possibly a storm early Friday. At least as the European is showing, it could see things mainly dry on Friday, but we'll see how that plays out as we get a little bit closer, depending on whether showers and storms set up to start the day. But as we go into the weekend, at this time, looks like things should be mainly dry as we move through Saturday and Sunday. Just a very slight chance of maybe a pop-up shower, but not a high chance of that at this time. So the weekend looking more seasonable and drier than what we'll see through our work week this week. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, do have those red chances for precip and lightning around the area this morning with a chance for those reduced ceilings and visibilities as well. Yellow risk of that, and then red for that precip and lightning. As we continue through the rest of the day today, expecting a high temperature just around 80 degrees with all the cloud cover, not seeing that high get up to the average around 86, so staying below average for today. We'll continue with those orange chances of precipitation and lightning as we move through the afternoon and into the early part of the evenings. and otherwise staying mostly cloudy to overcast through the day as well. As we get past the 20 local time frame, we'll start to see those chances diminishing down to about a 25% chance of any lingering shower or storm through the overnight time frame. And again, that starts to taper off as we get past the 2 a.m. time frame. And we do pick up the yellow risk for those reduced ceilings and visibilities once again in the overnight and early morning on Tuesday, as we will see a chance for some low clouds and fog around the area. But expecting our low temperature to stay about average, around 72 degrees for this evening. And the tide's looking normal at this time. If we look at the extended forecast here, we'll see those daily chances of showers and storms as we move through much of the work week this week. We'll see some warmer days as we move through the week as well. 87 degrees for a high the next 2 days. And then we see right in the mid-80s as we round out the week. Low temperatures staying in the low to mid-70s through the week. And as we get into the weekend, we'll start to see partly to mostly cloudy conditions at times, but gradual better conditions for our weekend with seasonable high temperatures and low temperatures as well. So that's a look ahead at our extended forecast. That's going to wrap up our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.